welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be coloring the 613 wig, and here are the three colors that we are going to be using. The first color that we are starting with is the French Cognac. You're going to go ahead and put that into the bowl. After you do that, you're going to go ahead and take your Sunrise Orange and you're going to add it to the French Cognac in the same bowl. After you do that, you do want to go ahead and stir the two colors together. So now you're going to go ahead and apply the dye to the frontal of the wig. So moving forward, I'm now going to be applying the dye in between the hair.
You win.
I'm just showing how I completed one side of the frontal, and we're now going to go ahead and get into doing the other side. So both sides of the frontal is completed, so now we're going to go ahead and going into applying the dye to the back of the wig.
You win.
And of course too, for the back of the wig, you want to make sure you do apply the dye in between the hair. After doing that, I did go into applying the ruby red to the wig, but then I felt like the color was a little too bright, so I did go ahead and take my intense red and I added it into the dye with the ruby red, mixed it together, and then went to applying it back on the hair. So after applying the dye in between the hair, now I'm applying the dye on top to make sure the two colors do fade into each other. Even when you get to the bottom of the ends of the wig, you do want to make sure you apply the dye in between as well. So here's pretty much how the wig came out after applying the dyes to the hair, and then we're now going to go ahead and get into styling it. So here I'm just showing you guys how the two colors did perfectly fade into each other, and now I'm just applying my heat protector to the hair. So I did decide that I wanted to do the hairstyle where it's like a long side bang, and then I have some hair up and some down, so that's what we're going to get into doing. So after separating the hair, I pretty much went into doing the ponytail.
Knockout. You win.
So after getting the ponytail together, I went into styling the side bang. Pretty much I'm going to be using my wax stick and my hot comb to put it in place.
Knockout. You win.
So I pretty much did like a twist on the bang, and I'm going to do the same for the ponytail to pretty much separate the hair. But after this, we're going to go into wand curling the back of the wig. So here's pretty much how the wand curls came out at the bottom half of the wig, and now we're going to go ahead into wand curling the ponytail. And here's how the wand curls came out after doing the ponytail and the bottom half of the wig. So I did go into wand curling the side part bang of the wig as well. I then decided to just comb out the wand curls to make it have a curly, wavy look. With the final touch, I then applied my Kendra light holding spray, applied it to the hair, and here is pretty much how the wig came out.